Hey guys, so we're going to be doing an investing for review and whether or not it is actually worth it. I'll give you the pros, I'll give you the cons. It's going to be completely honest. So I've been using it, and what I found the best with it is the ProPix AI that they have, okay, and the fair value models because it helps you to accurately identify undervalued and overvalued stocks. I've seen it flag opportunities that later have resulted in significant gains, right? As highlighted by different examples here as well. You can see they have different AI strategies that you can do. There's best of Buffett, dominate the Dow, beat the S&P 500. There's different ones. You can pick which one you would like. And honestly, this platform, it offers you a large suite of research tools. They include, advanced charts. They have screeners with 1,000+ metrics, okay, and even pre-built valuation models. And they give you real-time data for a vast range of financial instruments, stocks, commodities, and even currency. So this is a major plus, keeps you updated on market movements. Okay, and I'll give you the not so good stuff, basically the cons. One is the steep learning curve for beginners, especially, because the sheer volume of data and the advanced features, look at all this, it can be overwhelming for a new person who's into this in-depth financial analysis. And remember, guys, this is AI provided insights. It's not personalized financial advice. You still need to exercise your own judgment. Keep that in mind. Another point to consider is the cost. They do offer you discounts, like if you go for the yearly offer or the 2 years offer, you can save, right? But the premium plans can actually be a significant investment, especially if you're a casual investor. Also, there's no direct trading functionality, by the way. This is purely an analysis and research platform. You cannot place direct trades here. So you'll need a brokerage account, okay, on another website, and you can do your trades there. But otherwise, I would say this is a valuable tool if you're a serious investor, serious trader. Nowadays you're just leveraging AI for a lot of things, and they take in the data, they analyze it for you. So, I mean, if you're willing to invest the time and learn its features, and this cost it fits your budget, you can do the 1 month thing, try it out, and then if you really like it, go for the yearly plan. But otherwise, that is my take on it. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.